Last year, we transformed a cramped old bathroom into a luxurious modern sanctuary. And there's no doubt that it was a dream come true for homeowner Angela.
Oh my
What
God.
do you think?
Oh my God, that is gorgeous.
So we've sent our renovation expert Naomi Finlay to Sydney's northern beaches to help out Katie with a bathroom that's in desperate need of attention.
Katie, I am in heaven here. How long have you lived in this blissful location?
Oh, I know, it's awesome. Nearly 2 years.
Now, the place looks like it's in really good condition. Did you have to do much when you moved in?
We haven't done much. It was pretty much like this. There was a lot of blue and peach walls. I think they
Ooh.
tied it into the beach scene.
Literally.
Yes.
But I hear that there is one room that does need to be rescued.
Yeah, look, the bathroom does need some help.
And what's been holding you back with that?
Look, my husband and I, one, it's time, but it's also we're not good at making choices and it could end in divorce.
So I'm not only here to rescue and renovate your bathroom, but maybe your relationship at the same time.
I think so.
All right, let's go check it out.
Okay.
Wow. Oh my gosh, Katie.
Right.
What happened to the skirt?
Yeah, it's very beachy. I think they've tried to also bring the beach inside on the floor.
I think it's a circus tent. It's not even a beach.
Maybe I've never seen it before in anyone else's bathroom.
Well, let's say it's original.
Yeah.
Let's go with that. Look, it's a great layout and it's a great size.
The layout works really well.
Would you say it's just maybe not up to speed with the rest of the house and it's showing some wear and tear?
It is, yes. There's a few cracks in the tiles. The vanity is a little small.
And you know what, this space though, this is quite a big bath space here. You could make quite a feature out of this with the window behind it.
I hadn't thought of that, but yes.
I can see the indecisiveness coming through right now.
Look, there's just so many choices. I don't know where to start.
Hence, you have an unrenovated bathroom.
That's right.
I like it. Now, the good news for you is we have some great tools that you can use to help cut through that indecisiveness, avoid overwhelm. Are you ready?
That sounds great.
Okay, let's go. All right, Katie, good news is Beaumont Tiles were voted Australia's #1 tile specialist, and that is for a reason, and this is one of them. So this is a quiz that I want to take you through. Very simple, not too many decisions. And at the end, we're going to have a consolidated idea and vision of exactly what your style is.
Excellent.
Let's get started. You know, a lot of people can't verbalise or encapsulate exactly what their style is, but it doesn't mean that they don't know what they do and don't like. Now, these are a pile of colour palettes for you. There are 10 in front of you. So which one are you most attracted to?
Oh, I love that one.
So the What's My Style quiz is a perfect platform to help people uncover what they do and don't like, and at the end, consolidate it into a style that they're then able to create. Aha! Contemporary.
Wow. But I mean, I don't really know exactly what contemporary is, so...
One moment, please. Let's
Okay.
have a look.
Oh, wow. So they just put all the contemporary pieces together and everything looks so good.
That is a great starting point. But now we're going to really get into where the fun begins. I'm going to take you to one of the Beaumont Tiles showrooms and we're going to get to start playing with tiles and bathroom furniture all under the one roof and all within your contemporary style.
Looking to discover your perfect style and get your reno underway? A great way to start is with Beaumont's What's My Style quiz. It's jam-packed with inspired designs, style advice and knockout products to help you renovate and style like a star. Katie's bathroom reno is kicking off with a bit of shopping at Beaumont Tiles. Naomi is helping her find some tiles that will fit into the contemporary theme that she's after.
I'm a massive fan of this one and that one as well. It's quite a refined look.
And they're quite neutral. I like them. I like both of them.
They're light and bright, which we need in your bathroom.
It's quite dark, so I
It
think
is.
something light would be good.
Let's see what else we can find.
Okay.
Here is a great example of a contemporary tile. It's got clean lines, it's unbelievably sophisticated, and it's also bold in a very, very elegant way.
I really like it. I think that's definitely one I'd like to consider.
A good vanity can be a great hero piece and a focal point of any bathroom. And Michael from Timberline is going to help Katie sort out a completely customised solution for her bathroom.
Yeah, so we're an Australian manufacturer, which gives you, the consumer, a lot more choice. So you can actually design the product from colour, basin, all the pretty stuff. We can completely customise that unit. Our lead times are really quick, so within 2 weeks we'll have this made through our factory in New South Wales. So it's a nice quick process as well.
The Timberline Visualiser is a great tool to help narrow down the choices. You can visualise every product that comes out of the Timberline factory, from basins to handles, in any colour or size.
I'll just show you this. That'll change the drawer fronts only to a nice oak colour and the rest of the cabinet a nice white colour.
I love that because it's kind of a mix between both. It's
Absolutely.
not just timber and it's not just white. You've got sort of that blend of both colours. I love it.
Fantastic. I think we found your style.
Demolition work has kicked off in Katie's bathroom. She really wants to bring it up to the standard of the rest of her beachside home. So we've brought in the renovation gurus Kyle and Cara to help bring Katie's contemporary bathroom to life.
It was an absolute no-brainer that we needed Kyle and Cara on this team. They're a pretty casual couple, they're pretty kicked back, but don't let that fool you because they're onto it when it comes to the nuances and the really important little details that need to be considered for that perfect coastal contemporary look.
So this is it.
This is the space.
It's quite narrow, but there's definitely enough room.
I think this is a really good area and there's opportunity to go quite high with the tiles because we've got a good ceiling height.
Yeah, well, there's plenty to choose from, so do you want to go have a look?
Let's do it.
After their visit to Beaumont Tiles, Katie and Naomi have left a short list of tiles for Kyle and Cara to sort through.
Now, Katie is in Bali, so this is the perfect time to make a decision because she's the first to admit that she's very indecisive.
I love it. Do a bathroom reno, get someone else in while you go to Bali. I like it.
So what do you think?
I think these are great. There's, you know, like definitely a bit of a contemporary theme going on here, but I think we should do, you know, that bit of a coastal twist, seeing that we're so close to the ocean here and, you know, Katie loves the, you know, the beachy feel.
Yeah, I think it'd be wrong not to add that coastal twist given that we have this beautiful view. So, what do you think of this?
I like these. I like that they're, you know, you got your nice white format tile. I like that it's, you know, quite long and rectangular, and then the grey is really nice to go with it as well. I do really love these larger format tiles by ITT. They're, you know, they're awesome. It's good to see that variation in the formats as well. You know, that slightly longer shape.
Less grout lines, which means less cleaning.
Less cleaning.
Except then we've got this little tile here, which is very patterned. I'm so worried that this is a little bit too detailed and contrasting for our contemporary coastal bathroom.
Yeah, I honestly think I'm leaning more towards these tiles with that brick pattern and this white one with a slight texture.
I'm with you. I love the textural element of this, and I feel like although there's not a lot of colour going on, we can add that warmth with the vanity and the big, beautiful timber pendant.
Sounds good.
Now, these tiles are from Savoia in Italy, so we know they're going to be good quality.
You know what I love about this tile is, although it's a brick pattern, each brick's got a different grain running through it, so every tile's going to look different rather than like a replica print on the wall, so it'll look really authentic.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, I'm glad we've locked these tiles in, and to bring through that, you know, that contemporary theme, I think we'd get some really funky tapware, so let's have a look.
I agree.
Oh yeah.
I think the chrome is quite traditional and will work well with these tiles, but I feel like we can find something a little bit more edgy and contemporary.
They've got some awesome variations in the white and the chrome, like so they're really nice mixes, a big white and chrome shower head.
I love that because it's that traditional touch with the chrome and the white brings the modern touch.
Yep.
I'm here with Jamie from ADP and we're talking about all things tapware, and I tell you, in the Beaumont store there's a really solid range of taps and shower heads and mixes that we can choose from. Now, I was shopping with Katie earlier and she's going really heavily for a contemporary look, but I'm noticing that there's a little sprinkle of coastal heading into what she's looking at.
Yeah.
So we were a bit stuck on a shower head.
Okay.
What sort of look and feel do you think might be good for her, knowing what she's after?
Definitely. So I would go with the Cosmopolitan. and shower head. So with this one, it's got a shroud on it, so you can interchange the colours of the shroud. So you've got chrome, black or white. Again, with that coastal feel, I would go the white personally.
Could be a good fit for
Could be
it.
a good fit for it, but it's just perfect to be able to choose. You can have the plain shower head or incorporate those shrouds as well, just to give it something a little bit different.
Does that mean you could change it up over time if you
could.
changed your mind?
Exactly. If you
I
felt
like that.
felt like a different colour in a year's time, you could just switch the shroud and have the same shower head.
That's fantastic. I might zip this across to Katie and she can check that out and we can get started.
Sounds great.
Over the last couple of days, the tradies have laid the tiles in Katie's bathroom. The Timberline vanity and the white and chrome tapware have also been installed. Katie is back from her trip to Bali and is eager to see the final result, but not before Kyle and Cara add their finishing touch.
Nice.
I love this bathroom. It's come such a long way compared to that dark room that it was before.
Love the look, but I also love how it feels. So calm and relaxing.
It's pretty good, especially with all that natural light bouncing around off the white surfaces, helps to lift it and brighten everything up. I love it.
Well, Katie's coming to have a look very soon, so I'm going to do some styling and you can be my little styling buddy.
Oh, she's going to lose her mind when she sees this. So Katie had this pretty dark and dingy bathroom, and it was obviously our job to renovate this space and really brighten the space up too.
Katie wanted a contemporary bathroom with a coastal twist, which I think really suits her home. It's fresh, it's modern, but it's got that coastal touch, which ties perfectly in with the house and the view.
Well, busted in action, guys. I'm Katie.
Hello.
Do you like it?
Hey, how are you? Oh my gosh, what do you think?
I love it. I can't believe it's all come together and it looks awesome. It's just so calming, it fits the house, it's clean, it's simple but elegant, and I love it.
Now, I know during this process, you literally had hit that overwhelm button about 50 times.
Well, Naomi, no, I'm not very good with decisions, as you know, so having you guide me through this has been fantastic.
Yeah, it's hard for some people, you know, doing a bathroom to like make those decisions, because once they're in, they're final, they're
They seem
done.
like forever decisions,
It
don't
can
they?
be, we get it, it can be overwhelming, but you know, once you know you've gone through that process with the What's My Style quiz and everything like that, now it's all come together, it's such a good outcome.
Now, Katie and I did narrow down some tile choices for you guys. I think there were 3 options, and I am so stoked that you selected that feature tile.
Look, it's so light and fresh in here compared to the original bathroom, and I think you'll agree this is not the tile you would have chosen in store.
No, I would never have chosen that, but now that I see it, and I think if the bathroom was the plain tile all around, I don't think it would have had the same impact.
I mean, the great thing is it's white on white, but because this brick tile has that, you know, that subtle texture which brings everything to life, and it's not busy, but it works really well. It's nice to look at also.
But you know what I think is one of the hero pieces in the space? It's that vanity, I tell you. Timberline have done a cracking job on that.
Yeah, and the rest of the bathroom is quite contemporary, so that really brings in that coastal twist that suits your house down to a T.
Yeah, I absolutely love the vanity. To me, it's the wow of the bathroom.
Now, Katie, I think you'll agree with me. These guys have smashed out this transformation. It is phenomenal, team.
You guys have done a great job.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's actually been a good team effort. We've all done a really good job.
And the end product is that you are left with a phenomenal bathroom that's going to stand the test of time.
And I think now, Naomi, this is hands down my favourite room in the house.
That's what we like to hear.
Katie's bathroom transformation shows how using the right tiles can really brighten up a space. And all of the tiles used are the best quality and made in Italy by Savoia.
I think bathrooms and kitchens are such an integral part of the home, and so people really struggle to make decisions. So to be a part of this journey with Katie and for her to walk in and see this beautiful bathroom, it's such a nice feeling.
To see Katie's reaction, obviously she's loved it. It's pretty cool for us.